Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start an S corporation in North Carolina. This is a step-by-step guide what I think is the most effective way for you to start S corporation in North Carolina. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description to start an S corporation. In the description, click on the link of this video. Then when you're going to be here, you're going to find Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own S corporation. And I believe that with Incfile, it's going to be smooth. So here you want to click Start My Business. Then you want to change the LLC to S Corporation. And instead of formation, you want to change to North Carolina. Then you're going to have three packages here: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. With the Silver, 128, Gold, 300, and Platinum, $427. Now with the Silver package, you're going to have and find the preparing filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. Then with the gold package, you're gonna have like more than just silver. So I would recommend going with the middle way with the gold, where you would have registered agent service, business tax number, IRS form, corporation bylaws, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts. So everything you're gonna have in a gold package. Or you can go with the platinum, where you would have the business contract templates, expedite filling, so your own S corporation will be filled faster, and domain name, business email. So here you want to click on get the gold package and then add a first name, last name, email. So I'll go like Marcus Stonelius and email address. And like with the gold package, and I'm going to show you what you can actually get here and what you should choose when you're getting an order. So give me a second here. So you would add also the address here. And then you're going to continue. Then you're going to add a city, state, what is your mailing address, and then zip code. Now when you have it, you would press next here. And then you're going to have the 5 weeks filling time, the state filling, or 10 business days. So you would choose which one suits you. And then what you would do, you would click next here. If you want to have your own S corporation filled faster. Then S corporation name, I'm going to add like Marcus Marketing. And I'm going to add a designator, which is going to be, let's say, corporation and number of directors. So you can choose the designator, which one you want, and then directors and business purpose, marketing service for small business owners, and industry keyword, which can be marketing, and it's a marketing consulting services. Then you're gonna choose the corporation stock information, number of shares, I will add 1000, and share per value, let's say I'm going to add 5, and the number of shares, let's say 2. So you're going to choose the corporate stock information here, and then you're going to have the company address information. So benefits of using a private virtual mail address, keeping your personal address confidential, or you can use your own address or the professional business address. That's like completely up to you again. And then you would click next here. And then you're going to have the premium service package. So what you can do for $99, you can upgrade to premium service package, where you would get the business contract templates, domain name, business email address. If you want, you can do that. But if you know, click here, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity, or get a upgrade and bonus. So then you're going to have directors here. And you have to add all the directors that you have, president, and then secretary and treasurer. You can read about what kind of information there are about treasurer and secretary and president, like who is going to be the president of your S corporation in North Carolina. And when you're going to have this, then you have to go further and click next. Now here you have to choose the shareholders and how many shares you're going to have, and then shareholder 2. And then SSN number here again. and number of shares. Then you're gonna have the representative information. So this is the representative information, like who is going to be representative on the IRS if they may call. So you choose, and then you're gonna have the registered agent. So what you can do is to simply have Incfile as your registered agent for free for the first year, or you can act as your own registered agent. This is completely up to you what you choose, but my recommendation would have it with Incfile, so they will cover it for you. And then what you want to do is just simply press next here. Then you're going to choose the tax identification number, where you would have the first name, last name, and SSN number. And when you got it, you're going to choose the physical street address. So SSN number, you would write it right here, and Incfile would apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically. And when you got it, press next again. And then setting up small business banking. So here you're gonna have option to start your own bank account with the Bank of America and have it with them. But again, you don't have to have it if you don't want to. So that's like up to you. And then press next. Then tax strategy free consultation. So here you will learn, like they would offer you free consultation where you will learn how S corporation is taxed, how S corporation is working, how it all like works together. And you can click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation completely for free. Then press next again. We identify 2 licenses for your consulting business. So you can click here, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. That's something that I definitely recommend to have with Incfile. So you would get it all. And when you got it, press next again. And then you're gonna have the formation info. So you'd understand everything here. And then the review, and then billing information. Here, the first name, last name, card number, etc. And then this is how you can easily start your own S corporation in North Carolina. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. If you want to like have questions about anything, just write it down or write to Incfile, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.